Welcome to English on the Move. Today you travel with Nick and Rose. 2 days in a city they don't know. You'll hear real travel English. A hotel, a cafe asking directions, shopping, a pharmacy, and an airport. Listen for the phrases that come back. Day 1. They have just arrived.
We made it?
Finally,
How long was that flight?
11 hours.
It felt like 20.
Do we check in here?
Good afternoon. Checking in?
Yes, please. Under Miller.
2 nights, room 204.
That's right.
Could I see your passports?
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your key card.
What time is breakfast?
7 until 10.
Thank you very much. And then coffee.
We've been here 4 minutes.
Upstairs, looking for the room.
204. This way.
Are you sure?
The sign says so.
That arrow points at the lift.
So it does. There, 204.
Well done.
Drop the bags and let's go.
Go where?
Coffee, obviously.
Their first coffee of the trip.
Smell that.
It's busy.
That's a good sign. Hi, what can I get you? A large flat white, please. Anything else?
A tea for me, with milk.
And 2 croissants. To have here or take away? To have here, please. That's $9.80. Can I pay by card? Of course. Here you are. Thank you. Take a seat.
You paid at the airport.
And I'm paying now.
A warm table by the window.
This table's nice.
Warm too.
Is your coffee good?
It's very good.
Better than at home?
Don't tell anyone.
So, what shall we do first?
The museum, you said.
It's 10 minutes away.
On foot?
That's what the map says.
Then finish your tea.
10 minutes later and lost.
This isn't right.
It should be here.
Well, it isn't.
Let me check the map again.
You've checked it 3 times.
Excuse me. Sorry. How do we get to the museum?
The museum? It's very close.
Is it far from here?
10 minutes on foot. Straight on. Then left at the corner.
Straight on, then left.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy it.
See? 10 minutes.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
The museum at last.
There. Told you.
You said right, not left.
Did I?
You did.
Well, we're here now.
It's beautiful.
How much is a ticket?
12 euros each.
Is there a discount for students?
We're not students.
It was worth asking. How long do you want inside?
An hour, maybe 2. You'll enjoy it.
Sunset. At the end of day 1.
Come and look at this.
Give me a second.
Nick. The sky.
All right, that's worth it. Look, I took a photo.
Is that the woman who helped us?
That's her.
She was so kind.
What shall we do tomorrow?
There's a market in the old town.
What time does it open?
8.
8?
You'll survive.
Dinner at a restaurant nearby.
Everything looks good.
It does.
What do you suggest?
The fish is famous here,
Says who?
says the man at the hotel.
Good evening. Ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the fish, please.
And for you?
I'll take the pasta.
Would you like a salad with that?
Yes, please.
Anything to drink?
Still water for both of us.
Thank you. It won't be long.
He was nice.
The food arrives.
The fish for you.
Thank you. That looks lovely.
And the pasta. Enjoy your meal.
It smells wonderful.
Try a piece of my fish.
That's good.
Told you.
You didn't. The hotel man did.
How's the pasta?
Better than mine.
My fish is better.
Then next time I'm ordering it,
Next time you are.
A taxi back to the hotel.
Shall we get a taxi?
Please, my feet.
To Green Street, please. Green Street, no problem. How long will it take? About 10 minutes.
Is the traffic bad tonight?
Not at this hour. How much is it roughly? Around 15 euros. That's fair.
What a day.
A good one.
A long one. I'm going straight to bed.
It's 8:30.
And?
Back at the hotel, late.
Here you are. Keep the change. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Right. Bed you said.
I've changed my mind.
Of course you have.
What time is the market?
8. You told me.
Set an alarm?
I've set 2.
Good night, Nick.
Day 2. The market is closed.
So much for the market.
It's Sunday.
Nobody told me.
The man at the hotel did.
You could have said something. Right. Water, then?
Water, bread. What else?
You've already got 2 bottles.
Have I?
Look in your basket.
Oh, so I have.
These apples look good.
How much are they?
3 euros a kilo.
Take 4.
At the till.
Is that everything?
I think so.
Do you need a bag?
Sorry?
Would you like a bag?
Oh, yes please. 1 bag. How much is it?
14.20, please.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You carry the water.
Of course I do.
A clothes shop in the old town.
What do you think?
Turn round. It suits you.
It feels a bit tight.
Ask them for a large.
Excuse me. Do you have this in a large?
Let me check for you. Yes, here's a large.
Can I try it on?
Of course. Just over there.
Well,
Much better.
It looks good on you.
How much does it cost?
45 euros.
That's fair.
Paying for the jacket.
I'll take the large one, please.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Do you take card?
We do. Card is fine.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your trip.
are you all right?
Can we sit down somewhere?
Why? What's wrong?
It's a headache.
There's a pharmacy over there.
The pharmacy. Nick isn't well.
You look terrible.
Thank you. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. What's the matter?
I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
Since this morning.
This morning?
I didn't want to say.
Any other symptoms?
No, just the headache. Do you have anything for it?
These are good. Take one now.
How often can I take them?
One every 6 hours. With water.
How much are they?
5 euros, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Feel better soon. And water. Here. Take one now.
A bench outside minutes later.
Any better?
Give it a minute.
Did you actually drink that water?
Not much.
What did you drink today?
Coffee?
Just coffee?
Coffee.
That's your problem.
Possibly.
Definitely.
It is a little better, actually.
Good. Slowly then.
Slowly.
The last morning. Packing up.
Have you got everything?
I think so.
Passport?
Here.
Charger?
1 moment.
I knew it.
It was behind the bed.
It always is. Your new jacket.
I'm not wearing it on a plane.
Why not?
Because it cost 45 euros.
The airport. An hour early.
Boarding passes?
Both of them?
Both. And the passports.
You've checked twice.
3 times.
Which gate is it?
12.
How long have we got?
About an hour.
Coffee, then.
Now you want coffee.
I've learned from you.
Gate 12. The trip is over.
We're early.
For once? Did you enjoy it?
Every minute. Especially the coffee.
I knew you'd say that. Here, this one's yours.
You remembered. Same time next year?
Same time next year.
Is that a promise?
It's a promise. They're boarding.
Come on then.
That's the end of the trip. Now listen again from the start. You'll catch phrases you missed. See you on the next journey.